From the edge of the world, surrounded by wild ocean, fresh and healthy. The finest find. This is Hainan salmon. Shaped by nature, raised with passion. Hainan salmon.
Hiro-san,
Good afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon to you. We are back from shopping, and of course, the main subject is this right here. Hiro-san, let's open up the box.
Sure.
And in here, this is about 26 portions, about 6 ounces each. And this is what it comes like. You guys can order online at bakkafrostshop.com. It's about $216. And again, this is great, little 6-ounce piece here. All right, Hiro-san, what are we making today with this?
We're gonna make a rice ball.
Rice ball.
Onigiri.
Onigiri, one of my favorite things to eat in Japan, and all those fast food markets like 7-Eleven, or what's the other one in Japan so popular?
Family Mart.
Family Mart, yes. You walk in there, grab a few. That was my breakfast when I was in coaching. I'd go there every morning, walk,
Yeah.
pick a few up, and then so good. And they're supposed to be bringing them here to the United States very soon, right?
I think 7-Eleven gonna start like a Japanese style of the 7-Eleven from the I heard about from the Illinois.
Right. Oh, Illinois first. Okay. So if you guys can't wait, we're going to show you how to make it. It's so delicious with this beautiful salmon. All right, Hiro-san, let's begin.
Okay, so today we are going to make a onigiri rice ball. Usually we do steam rice first, and then grilled salmon or something other stuff put into the onigiri rice inside of the bowl. But today, first we are going to making kind of, we call it takikomi gohan, the mixed rice first. So steam rice, so I'm gonna add some dashi soup and a soy sauce and mirin, and then I'm gonna put set the salmon over the rice. Then we're going to making steam rice.
You're going to put the salmon inside the rice, right?
Inside of the rice.
Okay.
Actually, just sitting on the top of the rice like this.
Okay.
So after steam is done, I'm gonna mix up everything.
It'll be ready.
Yes, then I'm gonna put a little bit of furikake, another little bit flavor on it.
Okay.
Then everything make a mixer first. Then I'm gonna make an onigiri.
So 16 ounces of rice per ounce.
Yes, today we are going to make a 16 ounce. 16 ounce rice here. This is short grain Japanese rice. Then usually we use the regular water, but today I'm gonna use the ichiban dashi. Here, the ichiban dashi here.
How much is here? Also 16
This is already 16 ounces already.
Okay.
I already calculation already.
Okay.
So first thing, I wanna wash the rice. Okay, so first I'm gonna do 16 ounce the ichiban dashi here. Little bit soy sauce, little bit mirin, and then salmon. And this one I'm gonna put into on the center.
Okay.
Start.
All right, here it is. Ready to get mixed?
Yes.
All right.
Good. portion is, this is good portion for one. Making like a bowl like this. Then next one I'm gonna to triangle shape. Like this. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's like perfect. Who needs a mold, right? You guys save your money.
Mold right here.
Yeah, you don't need it. Everyone's born with a mold. You don't need to spend money on a mold. All right, unless you're making 50 of them, then that's something else.
Yeah, if you need to make more, then
you got several fingers on top to mold it, the shape on top, and just keep going. Okay.
Okay, like that. With the seaweed. Like this.
Okay. Very nice. Amazing Highland salmon by Bakkafrost, and what else to top it off with? Some delicious yukura. All right, delicious onigiri. Hiro-san, enjoy.
Yes.
All right.
I think this is salmon ale.
Look at that. Look how nice it looks. Okay.
いただきます.
Itadakimasu. We're gonna grab the other one and try. You know, I'm gonna do that now. Still warm, of course. How's it here? How do you like it?
I like it. I like so much salmon onigiri. Every time I go to Japan, go to supermarket to buy a salmon onigiri all the time.
I love the yukura. It's a nice touch. Has a little bit more saltiness to it, natural salty from the salmon egg. The salmon is so good, including the rice. Everything, just a wonderful combination.